So, why you guys get all of these pitches, right? And
Yeah.
it's very small amount of pitches actually get invested in.
hmm
Why youth sport? What has opened up the door for you guys to choose to get into the youth sport industry?
Yeah. It's a really good question. And going back to like just us, we're constantly doing research. We're constantly seeing where there are really favorable trends that could really work for us. At a high level, what do we like about youth sport? One, it's a massive, massive market, right? I think anyone, has personal experience of doing youth sport when they're growing up. I mean, that's probably 99.9% of the people you talk to in some way, shape, or form. Two, I think, the parents of today, have just become more enamored, more excited with either doing it year round, either wanting to make, bigger investment, whether it's going from playing local little league, to doing a year round or a 6 month, type of travel league. Like those are very, very different in terms of the trend, in terms of the investment you'll make into the sport, into your kids. And that for us, we just see an opportunity of that growing market. I think right now, youth sport, the last I saw it was between 8 billion and 10 billion. That's a really big industry, right? Like if you get a small piece of that big pie, you can have a really, really interesting, thriving business. And so, for us, it's okay, the market is big enough for us to be there. Now, where do you play within those domains, right? So where does it check off? Somewhere I can have a moat, I can stand out, and I have a little bit of staying power relative to just another group or another, company that's in that space. So you know, I think youth sport is going to continue to grow, and the opportunity is to get there and start to carve out the niche, and build your market share in it, depending on which space you want to play.
Yeah.